Today we're going to show you how to replace a tail light bulb on a 2017 Ford Flex. This is a pretty simple fix. You don't really need to pay somebody to have this done. First, take out the two bolts that hold the tail light in place. Once these are out, we can just carefully pull back and it'll clip out of place. And now we have access to the light bulbs. Now you identify which bulb is out. Now just grab the back of the bulb and twist and pull out. To remove the bulb, all you gotta do is carefully hold the bulb in place and pull straight out, and there it is. Now just find the matching bulb at your automotive store and replace it. To replace it, make sure you wear gloves, making sure that you don't get any oils from your hand onto the bulb. And now before putting it in place, I just test it to make sure that it's working correctly, and as you see there, it lit up, and twist, make sure it locks into place. Now in your case, there might be a different bulb that's out, so it's a very similar process. Just grab and twist to pull them out, and then replace the bulb. Just make sure that you find the right bulb at your automotive store. Now push the tail light back into place and put the two bolts in to secure it. And that's it. Pretty simple fix.